Hey guys, Todd Ault here, Wall Street veteran, lighting you up with the spotlight of truth. Ever watch someone try to build a company with a team that's made up of all the wrong people? It's like watching someone try to pick up a turd from the clean end. It can't be done. I can tell you about 70% of the time, business owners' biggest mistake is hiring the wrong people at the wrong time for all the wrong reasons. And I can tell you, hiring the wrong people will take what should have been a great company and turn it into a financial floater. Which is why guys like me step in, invest some cash, and make the tough personnel decisions you couldn't. Every good entrepreneur knows that in order to have a successful business, you need to hire the right people. So what's the secret? Marc Benioff, CEO of Salesforce, puts it this way. The secret to successful hiring is this. Look for the people who want to change the world. I think what Benioff is saying is that when you find a person who is enthusiastic, they don't necessarily have to know everything you know, but they do have to share your passion. I'll take 5 passionate, teachable people over a lazy know-it-all any day. So flush those thoughts of hiring Uncle Billy because he's got nothing better to do, or that college roommate because they held your hair back for you one night, because unless they're really the right person for the job and they have the right passion, because it's you that will be trying to figure out which end is the clean end. I've given you gold. Now run with it.